Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to export all emails from Outlook so you can create a secure backup of your data or move your messages to a new account in 2026. Let's get into it. First, open the Import-Export wizard. The first step is navigating to the back end of the Outlook desktop application where the data management tools are located. Open your Outlook app and click on the File tab in the top left corner of the screen. From the blue sidebar that appears, select Open and Export and then click on the Import-Export button. In 2026, Microsoft has streamlined this menu to act as the primary gateway for data portability. This wizard is the official tool designed to package your complex folder structures into a single portable file format that other mail clients can understand. Next, choose the export action. Now that the wizard is open, you need to tell Outlook exactly what you want to do with your information. In the list of actions, highlight Export to a File and click Next. On the following screen, select Outlook Data File or .pst and click Next again. This is the most critical technical choice. In 2026, the .pst format remains the gold standard because it doesn't just save your text, it preserves your attachments, metadata, and folder hierarchy. Choosing any other format like a CSV might result in losing your formatting or important file attachments. Next, select your folders and include subfolders. To ensure you aren't leaving any important messages behind, you need to define the scope of your export. Select your primary email address at the very top of the folder list to highlight the entire mailbox. Most importantly, ensure the checkbox for Include Subfolders is ticked before clicking Next. Many users make the mistake of only exporting their inbox. In 2026, by selecting the root email address and including subfolders, you are telling Outlook to grab your sent items, draft items, deleted items, and any custom folders you've created over the years, giving you a 100% complete backup. Click Finish. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to add an optional password to the file. And that's pretty much it. To export all your emails in 2026, go to File, Open and Export, Import/Export, Export to a File, .pst, select your entire account with the Include Subfolders box checked, and save the file to your desktop. This creates a complete, secure archive of your entire Outlook mailbox. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.